Hello dear children of class 6 and welcome to yet another online class of geography. Dear children, today we are going to do the question answer and this will be the last part of exercise from your chapter 2. So let's begin with question B. Question B. Answer the following questions in brief. So your B number 1, question number 1 is, what are cardinal directions? What are cardinal directions? So the answer will be the directions east, west, north and south are known as cardinal directions. Okay, so let me read the answer to you once again. The directions east, west, north and south, east, west, north and south are known as cardinal directions. Okay, cardinal direction. That's your answer number 1. Let's move on to number 2. What is meant by the scale of a map? This answer we have done in chapter 1 also, if you remember. So we'll continue with it once again. The scale of a map refers to the distance, to the ratio of, remember it is the keyword, okay, ratio of distance between two places on a map and their actual distance on the ground. So once again, let me read the answer to you. For number 2, question is, what is meant by scale of a map? The scale of a map refers to the ratio of distance between two places on a map and their actual distance on the ground. This is your number 2 answer. Okay, so I hope you have remembered. Once again, I'll read it to you. The answer number 1 is, the directions east, west, north and south are known as cardinal directions. Number 2, the scale of a map refers to the ratio of distance between two places on a map and their actual distance on the ground. So let's move on to number 3. Okay, the question is, which 3 ways are used to represent scale on a map? Which 3 ways are used to represent scale on a map? 3 ways used to represent scale of a map are: number 1, verbal statement. Number 2, linear scale. And number 3, representative fraction. So once again, I am reading answer number 3 to you. 3 ways used to represent scale of a map are: Number 1, verbal statement, V-E-R-B-A-L, verbal, S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T, statement. Number 2, linear scale, L-I-N-E-A-R, linear, S-C-A-L-E, scale. And number 3, representative fraction, R-E-P-R-E-S-E-N-T-A-T-I-V-E, representative, F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, fraction, representative fraction. Let's move on to number 4. Now number 4 is calculative. Number 4 is calculative, okay? So, question is, convert the statement 1 centimeter equals 100 kilometer into an RF scale. So, for your number 4, look at the calculation properly. 1 centimeter equals 100 kilometer, okay? 100 kilometer. So, 1 centimeter equals 100 into 1000 meter. So what you are getting? 1 centimeter equals 1000 meter, and 1 centimeter equals 100,000 meter, 100,000 into 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals 00 centimeter. So centimeter gets cancelled. What you are getting here? 1 is to 1, 00, 00, 00, 10 crore. 1 is to 10 crore. 1 is to 10 crore. Once again, I'll repeat it for you. See, 1 centimeter equals 100 kilometers. So first we convert 100 kilometer into meter. For that, we multiply it by 1000. We multiply it by 1000. Then that meter, whatever the answer comes, that meter again gets converted to centimeter. Why? Because your unit value is in centimeter. Unit value is in centimeter. So in the end, 1 centimeter equals 10 crore centimeter. Centimeter is cancelled, and your RF, representative fraction, is 1 is to 10 crore. Okay, number 5 is here. What method would you use to measure the length of a river? We would use Twine method. Twine method to measure the length of a river. Once again, I am telling you, we would use Twine method, T-W-I-N-E, Twine method to measure the length of a river. Okay. Number 6, what is legend or key? Legend or key is an essential element of a map which explains the colors and symbols, used in a map. Okay, once again I am telling you, legend or key is an essential element of a map which explains the colors and symbols used in a map. Okay, remember children, while writing the answers, you'll be referring to the video, as well as you'll be referring to whatever I'm saying, because I'm pronouncing, I'm dictating all the hard words also. You can do it easily. Now let's move on to question number 7. What are conventional signs and symbols? Conventional signs and symbols are internationally accepted signs and symbols used to show natural and man-made features on maps. Once again, I am telling you, conventional signs and symbols are internationally, internationally, internationally accepted, accepted signs and symbols used to show natural, natural and man-made features, features on maps. Okay. Number 8. Name the features that are shown in blue, green and brown colors on the map. So let's see. Blue is used to show water bodies. Green is used to show plains, and yellow is used, not yellow, brown. And brown is used to show hills, mountains and plateaus. Hills, mountains and plateaus on a map. Okay, so let's see. Blue is used to show water bodies, green is used to show plains, and brown is used to show hills, mountains and plateaus on a map. Alright, 3 different colors, 3 different modes. Okay, now coming to number 9. Name the line of latitude that divides Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. I think you know very well. Equator, in bracket write down 0 degree, is the latitude that divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres. Okay, Equator, 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 0 degree is the latitude that divides the earth into northern and southern hemispheres. This was number 9. Now coming to number 10. What are the latitudinal and longitudinal extents of India? Use your atlas to find the answer. Simple. The latitudinal extent of India is, if you remember in one of my videos I had stated this one. The latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes. Look children, 8 degree 4, and this dash you see up here, the dash is minutes. 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. So the latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north, and longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. So these are the 10 question answers. You will refer to the video, and from video itself you will write it in your notebook. Thank you very much children. Stay safe.